What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the New York Air Show here at Stewart Airport, Newburgh, New York. Me and my friend are going to take you through the air show. We're going to see a whole bunch of planes, a whole bunch of flights. Come on, let's go check it out.
Broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight are the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the Rockies red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of
We were just watching the West Point. What do you guys call yourselves?
We're the Black Knights, the West Point parachute team.
And you guys just jumped. How high did you guys jump from?
We jumped from 5,000 feet today.
5,000 feet. And how long does it take you guys to get to the ground?
It depends on when we open our parachutes, but anywhere from 3 to 10 minutes.
And how many jumps have you done?
I've done about 450 jumps.
Awesome. And I've done 0, and that's how it's going to stay because my feet are on the ground. Awesome. Alexis, check out our YouTube series called The Adventures of Daddy and Bella. And it's on YouTube. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. You had fun. It was awesome. Spin the big wheel of prizes at the 5-Hour Energy drink tent. See if we can win something great, something awesome. Let's see. Let's see if Wheel of Fortune. Let's see what happens. We're gonna get nothing.
No, everybody's a winner at the 5-Hour Energy.
Everybody's a winner here.
So you get earplugs or sticker.
Earbuds or sticker? I'll take a sticker.
All right.
We just took a survey. Got a free 5-Hour Energy. What flavor is this? Peach mango. We gotta try later. And it's cold. And it's free.
I'm a future farmer.
No, not future farmer, Chuck. Federal Aviation Administration. They probably are going to send you right back to prison.
Don't want to talk to them. Nope.
The second one is this, where he demonstrates his aerobatic capability and then does the landing on top of the Jelly Belly Motorhome Airport. And then he does what we call a dead stick. He takes the airplane up to 6,000 feet, shuts down, and stops the propeller, starts it out with a 10-turn spin, and he does an aerobatic routine all the way to the ground with no power, no propeller turning. And that's sinking, stops the thing. He got 2 wheels on. Let's see now.
Yep.
Is he going to be able to get all the way to forward? And he's
Did you guys see that? That was awesome. It just landed, I think that's a Cessna, on the top of what looks like an ice cream truck. Jelly Belly airplane on the world's smallest airport.
feet. Look as the plane appears to hover over the runway. Upon touchdown, the crew will demonstrate the capability limited to air and fuel, the ability to routinely back up under its own power.
So far the show's been pretty awesome. We just saw the C-17 Globemaster take off, land, do some maneuvers. Local aircraft here at Newburgh. We're gonna see what else is over here. I think we got some, I think it's called a B-1 bomber over here. We're gonna go check that out. And they have a vintage one here. So we're gonna go check those out and we'll see what else we got. Check that out, B-1 supersonic bomber. That one, I don't think they're gonna let me go inside. I would love to, but I don't think they're gonna let you inside that one. Thing's pretty sick. I didn't even know it existed.
Get burned and drink plenty of liquid. Do not get dehydrated. You think it's probably people not drinking enough liquid.
Let's see what they got on this thing. And try to get through the crowd here. Oh man. Check this. Check out these Bombay doors. Oh man. That's where they drop them from. Look at the size of the landing gear down here.
Just clear.
It's up to this guy's chest. It's insane. Give you a good comparison here. It's up to landing gear. Right here on me. Check out this Black Hawk. We're gonna go inside. Oh, there's the Jelly Belly plane. There he is. He made it. 4 or 5 passes, but he made it. I think it was all for show. Let's go inside this Black Hawk. That looks pretty cool. All right, so we're on the Black Hawk. The gentleman here was telling me that this particular Black Hawk searches for mines down Norfolk, Virginia. And they drop this huge device here into the water, and they try to search for mines. So it's pretty cool. Said they go up to 12,000 feet on here at about up to 150 knots.
They teach you everything.
I can fly this. Yeah, we'd be all right. Just press a couple of buttons. There's got to be an auto button on here somewhere.
Yeah, no. I got a co-pilot. That's my autopilot.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Awesome.
I have a hard time figuring out my.
So that was the Black Hawk. I almost just hit a hook on the way out, but totally missed it somehow. I have no idea how I missed that, but look how sick that thing is. Awesome. The crew was really nice in there. Insane.
Assess the situation on the ground. Once the formation detects a threat, then the aircraft must split up and maneuver aggressively to avoid being targeted. Watch as all 6 aircraft now visually check all points.
Well, the Illinois is central and the southern central freight. Gotta keep on pushing my mug. No, they're running late without love. Where would you be now?
As the solo is going to tally our visual, they're going to turn in towards the 4-ship formation. And they discover Delta switch to line abreast, or we call it a wall of SNJs. This is the same formation that they use when they skytype. On the command of the leader now, skytypers are going to execute a 90-degree right turn and shift into in-trail formation.
Hopefully we got some good video of that F-18 Hornet. That thing was super loud. I actually had to put on the earmuff on the microphone because the so much wind noise from the afterburners. But, absolutely insane. That was incredible. I've never seen a fighter jet in action, and the thing was absolutely incredible. Absolutely remarkable. I always love coming to these things and running into celebrities. I ran into a local star. Can you believe this? Look at this. This guy's a star right here. You guys know who that is? That's the star. I spun the wheel over at Hardee's, and look what I got. A gift card. It's worth anywhere from $1 to $100. So we're gonna have to check that out and see what that's worth. Probably $1, but you never know. It could have the $100 one. Never know. When I play these videos back, watching the people wave in the background, I guarantee you there's one person that's giving the thumbs up, or they're waving, or they're doing something dumb. It never fails because I never notice them, but they're always doing it every single time. Look at these lines, they just keep going. These people are crazy, just walk. You just gotta walk, that's it. Get some exercise. I know it's hot. You just gotta keep going. Keep going.